tulpa, dahil bistado na kita. Ang bilis kong naniwala sa'yo, may buntot ka palang tinatago. Ang sabi mo ay sexy ka at model na pala, mat nung ka-eyeball na kita, barako ka pala. Charing, nailat ko sa buking. Charing, kasakit sa kasing-kasing. Charing, nailat ko sa buking. Charing, mihalok pa sa kong aping, si Dudong Charing. Nagpadala ko ng 10,000 dahil akala ko na ikaw ay isang anghel. Nasayang lang talaga ang pera ko, kampon ka pala ng demonyo. Ang sabi mo ay maganda ka at model na perla, mat nung ka-eyeball na kita, macho ka pala. Charing, nailat ko sa buking. Charing, kasakit sa kasing-kasing. Charing, nailat ko sa buking. Charing, mihalok pa sa kong aping, si Dudong Charing. Sabi mo ay sexy ka at model na pala, ba't nung ka-eyeball na kita, barako ka pala. Charing, nailat ko sa buking. Charing, kasakit sa kasing-kasing. Charing, nailat ko sa buking. Charing, mihalok pa sa kong aping, si Dudong Charing. Dudong Charing. Dudong Charing. Dudong Charing.
See, here's the thing.
We
We're
have
both
to
here right
take
now.
our clothes off.
So sexy.
We have to party all night.
It's a sad moment.
We have to take our clothes off to have a good time. Oh no, no, no.
Excuse me, miss. I couldn't help but to notice how alone you are. I dig the attitude and how you acting like you own the bar. Got me flashing keys and I don't even own a car. Felt like you ain't feeling my charm because I know you are. I'm trying to see how your lips feel. Oh, I'm sorry, my name is Travi and I'm pretty much a big deal. Oh, you never heard of me? That sounds absurd to me. What you stole my attention was flat out burglary. What do you say let's exit stage left for me and you could possibly reconvene a place some naked peekaboo. Cause after all the blouse you're wearing's kinda see-through, and it's obvious I'm heading wherever you're leading me to. Such an angel with a devilish angle and quite the certified sweet talker. And you buying every line of it, girl. And I don't really blame you. If I was in your shoes, I'd probably do the same too.
To take off clothes off.